We've got the integral of x squared ln x dx, and this is a product, so that leads me to think that the first thing I'll try is an integration by parts. And I'll do that by letting u equal the natural log of x. The derivative of u in that case is 1 over x. I'll set dv as x squared, and integrating to get v, I'll find that it's x cubed over 3. With integration by parts, we'll start by going across the top and then down over. And so what we get then is x cubed ln x over 3 minus the integral. We've got an x on the bottom, an x cubed up top. That results in an x squared up top. We also have a 3 on the bottom, so we'll pop a 1/3 out front there. We have x squared now in here, and we'll set that equal to dx. And so now we just have a fairly straightforward integral of x squared dx. So we can rewrite this and say x cubed ln x over 3. The integral of x squared is x cubed over 3. We already did that right here. And so what we can do is say minus 1/3 times x cubed over 3. And this is indefinite. There are no bounds or limits, so we can just say plus c at the end there. That's necessary. And then we just need to simplify. So we'll say x cubed ln x over 3 minus x cubed over 9 plus c. And that is the result of the integral of x squared times the natural log of x. If you have any questions, or if you've got any additional calculus or physics problems you want me to try, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.